D Designs is now launching sculptures. Wow! When you follow your artistic soul, nothing can stop you from creating. Rubber from scrap tires, what a wonderful material it is. And I'm happy that we saw something in this rubber that no one else has. And here are the life-size sculptures from tires. These sculptures show the sweat, the willpower and the expertise of the team. Almost 500 hours of effort, 420 varieties of tires, thousands and thousands of staples, nails. The hard work and determination of the team is worth after looking at the final creation. It has been an incredible journey. We are planning to install these sculptures in public space where we can educate people how materials which is saving the environment can be used in creation of wonderful art. We are really grateful and thankful to everybody who has been part of the Designs journey. Thank you all.